Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. This model has a 30 TFSI engine with 116 PS and a slick 6-speed manual gearbox, delivering a sporty and engaging drive. This model has had one previous owner. With this being the previous Audi model, it means it comes with 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT, and 1 year roadside assistance. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-Line enhanced exterior styling, including the aeronet grills, radiator grille and front bumper, giving this a stylish front end. While as standard, we have the striking LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Moving around the side of the car, we have the optional 17-inch 5V-spoke design alloy wheels, which look amazing and complement the striking Python yellow paintwork perfectly. While there's also heated, electrically adjustable body coloured door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, black side and door trim strips, as well as the optional Manhattan grey contrasting roof, which really sets off the stylish exterior look, while the rear privacy glass ensures there's extra security for your rear seat passengers. Moving inside, you'll see there's a spacious interior, with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while on the cloth and leather upholstered seats, it means you can travel in luxury too. These are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the ISOFIX points on the outer rear seats ensure your child seats will stay secure on the move. Moving outside of the car and around to the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, and as mentioned earlier, the enhanced exterior styling also includes a roof edge spoiler, rear bumper and rear diffuser, giving this a stylish overall look. To access the boot, just hold down the button on the key or use a soft release on the hatch. This has a large boot with 335 litres of space, so there's plenty of room for adding a shopping or even a pushchair, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flatpack furniture. And once you've loaded everything, just pull down to close. Overall, this is a really stylish hatchback. While considering its age and mileage, it is in excellent condition. Inside, it's equally as stylish. There's polygon structure inlays, which really uplift the interior ambience. Lower down, we have the manual gearbox and manual handbrake, with the cup holders directly on the right hand side. There's also front sports seats upholstered in cloth and leather, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the manual adjustability means you can easily get into your favourite driving position every time you get into the car. There's also automatic headlights with light and rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and electrically adjustable mirrors. But this concludes our 360-degree walk around of the Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. Now let's take a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. In front of you there's a 3-spoke leather multifunction sports steering wheel with buttons to control the digital cockpit you see ahead of you, as well as the infotainment display on the centre console. On the left hand side of the steering wheel we have these toggle switches which can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information which can display consumption both short term and long term, as well as driver assist, so all the important information is displayed ahead of you. There's also DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, as well as telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls. While if click view, you can activate the reduced display, which hides the information, but click it again and it will display the information. This model has ridden 7,609 miles, while as is registered on the 21st of January 2019, its warranty is still valid until the 21st of January 2022, while it will also come with the original set of 2 keys. As standard, we have the 8.8-inch multimedia interface Radio Plus display screen, with functionalities such as DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, media controls with various sources such as Bluetooth and USB, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as general car settings. As standard, there's also Audi smartphone interface, allowing you to connect to device media via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so streaming your favourite music or podcasts couldn't be easier. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty of modes to choose from, such as efficiency and auto, with individual allowing you to customise your options, such as the drive system and steering. But our personal favourite is dynamic, as it's most driver focused. Not only that, but we also have the reversing parking sensors, really adding that extra reassurance when navigating through those tight spaces. Moving down, we have the controls for the manual air conditioning, which is standard on this model, and with easy to access toggle switches, you can easily change your temperature, speed and direction on the move without taking your eyes off the road. This was a walk around of the Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, test drive, or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us on 01772 911 331. Thank you for watching.